This is how you can make money online in Kenya. Today, I'll show you how to earn through affiliate marketing using just your smartphone, an internet connection, and an Equity Bank account. Affiliate marketing is a simple process where you promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your link. It's an effective way to generate income online. One of the best platforms for Kenyans is Seller.co. Here's how you can get started. Visit Seller.co and sign up for an account. Browse and choose products that fit your niche. Get your unique affiliate link and start promoting on social media, blogs, or any platform you prefer. Picking the right niche is crucial. Popular and profitable niches include health and wellness, wealth, and relationships. These areas have a broad audience and high demand. Another great platform is Digistore24. It offers a wide range of products from software to fitness programs. Here's how to use it. Sign up on Digistore24 and create your profile. Select products that align with your niche. And promote these products using your unique affiliate links. If you are interested in starting your affiliate marketing journey, drop a comment saying interested or inbox me for more guidance. I'm here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.